Hey everybody, it's Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com, the premier dealership for the Vespa scooter here in San Diego, California, and ScooterWest.com for all things Vespa, whether you got a modern Vespa or a vintage Vespa. So I'm going to share with you what we typically have in stock for the original Vespa helmets at ScooterWest.com. You can find all the sizes typically available. I can tell you they are very hot. We just got a $20,000 order and we've run out of sizes already, and that was only 2 weeks ago. So bear with us. We're trying to keep these in stock, but it's been very difficult this year trying to keep the original Vespa helmets in stock as of 2021. But I want to show you these helmets. They are definitely the premium 3/4 face helmet. The standard colors are Dragon Red, My Bianco White, and the touring, like the Dolomite blue kind of color. Those are the standard colors. They all run $299.95 for the standard colors. And then you have the special edition Witherspoon version. And this one runs $329. There's other editions of this helmet, such as the matching Racing 60s helmets. We currently don't have a stock supply of those right now, but we have gotten those for our customers. This has got the 4 different colors on here. They all include a face shield. You can replace this face shield. And they're all made in Italy. They have a quick release mechanism, works really good. And the interiors are very nicely appointed on these helmets here. So you can see on the top, Vespa has been molded into the polycarbonate shell of these helmets. They have this really nice looking chrome trim that goes all the way around the helmet. On the white, red, and the blue one, they have this carbon fiber for these this face shield treatment with these little rivets. It's very interesting, unlike any other helmet I've seen. This face shield works very well. I have tried one of these out at freeway speeds. And in addition to the standard face shield, you can see there's a tinted visor that folds up into the shell. So you can ride it just like that and have more air in your face on a warm sunny day. And maybe it's a cold night and you don't need the sun visor. You could put down the larger face shield that keeps most of the wind out of your face. So you don't need to necessarily wear glasses. So on the back of the helmet, they do have a Department of Transportation approval sticker. That's for North America. You can certainly remove that sticker if you like. And this little button is pretty nice looking with a chrome kind of bezel there, and it says Vespa in the center. So I'll unbox one of these helmets. Comes in a pretty nice box here. And includes a soft storage bag. It has Vespa on the side. And there's another helmet in white. Put one on. And the nice thing about these 3/4 helmets is you can leave the visor down if you like. That's easier for you. And they got the quick release. You can make minor adjustments with this D-ring. You know, right now I probably would tighten this up. This is a medium, it fits my head really good. And you can easily put those shields right out of the way. So to find these helmets on the Scooter West web store, just click the tab that says Riders Accessories and then click Safety Apparel and scroll to the helmet section. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the various styles of the original Vespa helmets that we have in stock, and then you could select your size and check availability. If we don't have availability, you could certainly place a back order. We're constantly placing these on order, and they've been trickling in this year, but they've been a very popular option for 2021. I've never would have thought so many people want the Vespa original helmet, but they certainly are built to a much better level than the run-of-the-mill 3/4 face helmet that's under $100, and you're getting an Italian-made fine helmet. Thanks again for watching. This is Robot here from ScooterWest.com and Vespa Motorsport. And if you're looking for the specific part numbers of these, you can look in the description of this YouTube video and find all the part numbers for these helmets as well. Thanks for watching.